Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss about polygons. Polygons. A simple closed figure with three or more than three line segments is called a polygon. This figure is a polygon. Here more than three line segment. It has four line segments. And this figure is also called a polygon. Here how many line segments are there? Three line segments. That is 1, 2 and 3. We can say a simple closed figure formed with three or more than three line segment, that is called a polygon. These are the sides of a polygon. You can say this is a side of a polygon. And this is the vertices of a polygon. Vertices. Now these are the sides and this is the vertex. The two adjacent sides meet at a point, that is the vertex. And these are the two adjacent sides meet at a common point. That point is known as the vertex. Now clear the vertex and sides of a polygon. Now we continue the next subtopic, that is the types of polygon. Types of polygons. First is triangle. This figure is a triangle. The three line segments joining with each other, it formed a triangle. And in triangle, this is the vertex and this is the side. We name it A, B and C. How many sides in a triangle? Three sides. That is AB, BC and AC, or we can say C. These are the sides AB, BC and C. Then vertex A, B and C are the vertex. The three line segment joining with each other, that is also a polygon. The second one is the quadrilateral. In this, the figure we can draw like this. The four line segment joining with each other, that is a quadrilateral. Means a polygon with four sides. That is a quadrilateral. So we can draw the figure like this. This is a quadri. Quadri means four and lateral means sides. Okay? In this figure, we give the name, that is A, B C and D. Then we write the sides. Sides of a quadrilateral are, that is AB, BC, CD and D. These are the sides. We write AB, BC, CD and D. Now the vertices. These are the vertices A, B, C and D. We write here vertices A, B, C and D. The next is opposite sides. Which one is the opposite sides of a quadrilateral? That is AB. The opposite side is this. AB is then C. The first one. The next opposite side, this side, opposite to this side. So BC opposite to AB. Then adjacent sides. Which one are the adjacent sides? Adjacent sides, here you see the Z. Here Z is the adjacent sides. Now this two line segment joining with a common vertex, that these two sides are the adjacent sides. The AB is adjacent to BC. That is the one pair. Then BC adjacent to CD. This is the second pair. Then CD adjacent to BA. And DA adjacent to A. AB, BC. The one pair. Then BC, CD. Second pair. Then CD, DA. Third pair. Then DA, AB. Then the fourth pair. The four adjacent sides in a quadrilateral. Now vertices, sides, opposite sides, adjacent sides and the diagonals. The last one is diagonals. Which one is the diagonal? If we join this line and if we join this line. These are the diagonals. How many diagonals in a quadrilateral? Two diagonals. That is AC and BD. These are the two diagonals. So these all are about the description of a quadrilateral. इसमें sides कौन सी हैं, vertices कौन सी है, opposite sides, adjacent sides and the diagonals. Now the next is the rectangle. Next is rectangle. This is also a type of a quadrilateral. The figure of rectangle is this, and we name it A, B, C and D. In rectangle, sides, four sides, that is AB, BC, CD and DA, and four vertices. Vertices are A, B, C and D. These are the vertices and these are the sides A, B, AB and DA. Now the opposite sides are equal in a rectangle, and AB, opposite sides are AB opposite to DC, and then AB opposite to BC. These are the opposite sides in a rectangle. And the two diagonals. These are the two diagonals. So diagonal, that is AC and BD. Both are equal. The two diagonals are equal. AC is equals to BD. The next comes square. Then in square, this is the figure of a square, and we name it A, B, C and D. Squares, how many sides are there? That is the 4 sides. AB, BC, CB and D. How many vertices? That is A, B, C and D. And all the 4 sides are equal in a square. Then how many diagonals? The 2 diagonals, and diagonals are also equal in square. That is AC and BD. The 2 diagonals in a square, and both are equal. Then pentagon. In pentagon, the figure we can draw like this. This is the figure of a pentagon, and we name it A, B, C, D and E. And how many sides in a pentagon? 5 sides in a pentagon. And how many vertices? 5 vertices. 5 vertices. That is A, B, C, D and E. These are the vertices, and A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E and E. These are the sides. Now the next is hexagon. This is also a polygon, type of polygon. Hexagon is also a type of polygon. In hexagon, the figure is like this. And we name it A, B, C, D, E and F. How many sides in a hexagon? That is 6 sides in a hexagon. And 6 vertices. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F and F, A. These are the sides and vertices A, B, C, D, E and F. These are the vertices. These are all the types of polygons. ये सारे हमारे polygons के types हैं. Now the next, we see our activity. That is activity 3. In activity 3, the question number 1 is, which of the following are polygons? Some figures are given and you find out which one is polygon or which one is not polygon. आपको कुछ फिगर दिए हुए हैं बने हुए, आपको उनको देखकर बताना है कि ये पॉलीगन है या नहीं है। अभी आपने पॉलीगन पढ़ा, अब आपको पता चल जाना चाहिए देखकर कि ये फिगर पॉलीगन है और नहीं। सपोज आई ड्रॉ लाइन्स, नाउ यू टेल दिस इज अ पॉलीगन। नो, दिस इज नॉट अ पॉलीगन। व्हाई दिस इज नॉट अ पॉलीगन? Because we have studied that in a polygon only straight lines are joining with each other, 3 or more than 3, and here this is a curved line, so this is not a polygon. Polygon से fixed straight line से ही बनता है, ठीक है। Now the next figure I show you. This is a polygon. Yes, this is a polygon because here this figure joining with straight line segment. यहाँ पे सारी हम आपको क्या नजर आ रही है? Straight line segment. It means this is a polygon. Now I draw this. This is a polygon? No, this is not a polygon. Why this is not a polygon? Again, here they curved. We see a curved line. So this is not a polygon. ये फिगर क्या होगा? पॉलीगन नहीं होगा, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे कर्व लाइन से इस फिगर को ड्रॉ करते हुए दिख रहा है हमें, जबकि हमने अपने पॉलीगन में बताया था ओनली अ स्ट्रेट लाइन जॉइनिंग विद ईच अदर, देन वी से दैट द क्लोज्ड कर्व इज अ पॉलीगन. So this figure is also not a polygon. Now I draw this figure. This is a polygon? No, this is also not a polygon. क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी हमने देखा स्ट्रेट लाइन के साथ में एक कर्व्ड लाइन है, तो वी कैन से दिस इज नॉट अ पॉलीगन. तो ये भी हमारा पॉलीगन नहीं होगा. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इसी पे बेस्ड है. इसी टाइप के पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ किए हुए हैं आपकी बुक में, और उनको देखकर बताना है कि विच वन इज अ पॉलीगन और विच वन इज नॉट अ पॉलीगन. तो सेल्फ डू इट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट, द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, दैट इज राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स. अब आपके बच्चों सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में आपको ट्रू फॉल्स बताना. And in true false, you read the statement and say yes, this is true, this is false. Afterwards you correct the false statement. उसके बाद आपको जो wrong statement है उसको correct कर भी लिखना है. ऐसे suppose first statement is a polygon with a polygon with 4 sides is called a pentagon. अभी हमने आपको बताया था, जब हमने क्वाड्रिलेटरल में पढ़ाया था तो आपको पेंटागन भी बताया था, और पेंटागन के फिगर में कितनी साइड्स बताई थी. हाउ द पेंटागन फॉर्म्ड, हाउ मेनी साइड्स आर देयर? Means 5 sides in a pentagon. Or here what the statement says, a polygon with 4 sides is called a pentagon. It means this statement is false. ये statement हमारी क्या हो गई? False. अब इसको correct करना है, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? अपना correct statement ऐसे लिखेंगे, a polygon with 5 sides is called a pentagon. अब ये स्टेटमेंट क्या होगी? हमारी ट्रू होगी. क्लियर? तो अब आपको समझ में आया कि किस तरीके से हमें स्टेटमेंट बतानी है. द सेकेंड वन इज every square is a rectangle. This statement is true or false? This is true because every square is a rectangle. पर बच्चों अगर हमने इस स्टेटमेंट को ऐसे दे दिया every rectangle is a square, then the statement is false. हर रेक्टेंगल स्क्वायर नहीं होता है, लेकिन हर स्क्वायर रेक्टेंगल होगा. To read carefully the statement. Afterwards, you write true or false. Clear? The next is the adjacent sides of a quadrilateral have a common vertex. Adjacent sides आपको quadrilateral में बताई थी, उसकी क्या common vertex है? Yes, the adjacent sides of a quadrilateral have a common vertex. This statement is true. जो बच्चों ट्रू स्टेटमेंट है उसको एज इट इज लिखना है, उसका अदर स्टेटमेंट कुछ नहीं होगा, सिर्फ फॉल्स में आपको ट्रू करके लिखना है. क्लियर? नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज डी. द डायगोनल्स ऑफ ए स्क्वायर आर अनइक्वल. द स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट? नो, द स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. द स्क्वायर ऑफ ए स्क्वायर में हमने देखा ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल होती है, तो डायगोनल्स आर आल्सो equal. To be correct to the statement like this, the diagonals of a square are equal. Next, a triangle is a polygon. Triangle क्या polygon है? Yes, triangle is also a polygon. This is true. Next, all quadrilaterals are rectangle. The statement is true? No, the statement is false because all quadrilaterals are not rectangles. सारे quadrilaterals rectangles हों ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. हमने देखा square is also a quadrilateral. तो this statement is false. All quadrilaterals are rectangle. This statement is false and we correct it like this. All quadrilaterals are not a rectangle. Now the next is a hexagon has 6 sides. The statement is true. अभी हमने आपको बताया था फिगर hexagon का. How many sides are there in hexagon? There are 6 sides. कितनी sides होती है hexagon में? 6 sides. So the statement is true. Now the next is the third question. Third question self you can. आपको बच्चों थर्ड क्वेश्चन में आप करना है, क्योंकि थर्ड वन जो है हमने अभी आपको यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करके बताया था उसकी सारी साइड्स. दैट इज थर्ड क्वेश्चन है ड्रॉ ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल PQRS. अभी हमने आपको एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल बनाया था और उसमें आपको बताया था ABCD से आप कोई भी क्वाड्रिलेटरल PQRS बना सकते हैं. और सेम उस पर आपको साइड्स बतानी है, वर्टिसेस बतानी है, डायगोनल्स बताने हैं, अपोजिट साइड्स बतानी है एंड एडजेसेंट साइड्स. सपोज हमारा एक ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल है तो इसकी आपको साइड्स क्या हो जाएंगी? साइड्स इज दिस 1 2 3 4. और आप इसका नेम कैसे देंगे? PQRS एंड S. अभी आपको हमने ड्रॉ करके भी बताया और उसमें सब चीज बताई थी बेटा, तो ये आपको सेल्फ ट्राई करना है. Now the fourth question, that is question number 4. In question number 4, look around in your classroom or and at home. पहले आप जब क्लास स्कूल आते थे तो आपने बहुत सी चीजें क्लासरूम में देखी हैं. अभी आप अपने घर के चारों तरफ ही जो चीज आप देख रहे हैं, draw 5 things which are shaped like the following: square, ट्रायंगल, रेक्टेंगल. तो 5 चीजें आपको ड्रॉ करनी है जो इन शेप की है. सेल्फ यू कैन डू इट इन योर क्लास वर्क नोटबुक. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, टुमारो आई गिव यू सम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन चैप्टर 1 to 4, 1 2 3 and 4.